Hi guys, you're watching Origami Time with Namai, and Spider-Man No Way Home is just around the corner, so I'm really excited for that. This is the Spider-Man flicker, so let's fold it. So for this, we'll be needing a square sheet. Fold this triangle up, then fold our paper in half diagonally. Do the same with the other side, but make sure to only pinch it in the center and not actually fold the whole crease. Then just bring the opposite side to the middle and align the bottom flap wherein we had folded the triangle such that both of them overlap and they just form a seamless connection like so. Now just do a fold and then bring this edge like so, making a triangle, basically making the eyes of the mask. So just whenever you're good, fold it. There's no particular order, and then we want to do the same fold on the other side. So for that we can just lightly hold our paper in half like that and make sure not to fold at all. So just fold this paper right here and do the same thing with the other side so that we can get the approximate value of the fold. So let's just fold when we are confident. So after that, let's fold, turn over, and then align this part with this so that this is kind of a triangle and we're trying to make an oval here. So let's do the same thing on the other side, and you'll know really soon what the purpose of this fold is. So let's make the fold right here. After that, open up and make the crease flat. Also, this is a great time to reinforce all the creases. So this was the fold. Now open this flap and put all these flaps down so that we get a nice seamless looking mask at the end. And now we just need to get an oval or an ellipse which is well in the form of a mask. So accordingly, you can just go ahead, freehand draw an ellipse and do the required folding in order to give the required shape. So how I like to do is just start by the side, fold that, then repeat the fold on the other side, using the same trick. Just hold it in half, copy the fold, and make sure not to fold completely, and then going to the top edge just like that, from here to not midway but just stopping before midway, and then fold this edge, and similarly do the same thing on the other side, and we are done with the flicker. So guys, I also made a Venom version and it turned out to be great. Now let me show you how to flick it. So just hold it and flick it with your other hand like so. And now for some demo.